The principal question that was asked is based on the Marten landfill, where I've asked the minister concerned whether any scientific study has been conducted to assess the extent of groundwater contamination due to leachate from Marten landfill affecting water source in the adjoining areas. And I'm surprised, sir, from the reply of the Honourable Minister, where there has been no scientific study no scientific study has been done as far as the contamination of the water source near Marten landfill. As we are aware, sir, that the Marten landfill, it was there since 1930, and of late, the Marten landfill has reached a capacity where it cannot accommodate any more waste. And I would like to remind each and every one of us here that near the Marten landfill, there are few water sources which the local residents within 3 to 5 kilometer radius, especially during the winter, we used to go and fetch water from these water sources. And of late, what I found out is that the local residents don't go and fetch water from these water sources because they fear. Because we have seen that there has been contamination, there have been leakages from the Marten landfill. So I would like to know from the Honourable Minister whether he will consider to constitute or to conduct a scientific study so as to understand the nature of these water sources near the landfill.
Sir, normally, sir, the groundwater studies are done by the Central Groundwater Board, is the nodal agency for scientific study and assessment and monitoring of ground resources, including contamination in the state, sir. However, sir, as per my record, there is no water sources from the PHE department. As far as PHE department is concerned, we don't have any sources there. But since Honourable Member is insisting that, I'll get it examined, sir.
I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the reply. Yes, I've mentioned that yes, it does not belong to the PHE department, but there is a water source where since time immemorial, as a local resident from that particular area, especially during the winter, we used to go and fetch water from there. It's a big source, water source. So I would like to thank the Honourable Minister. Please kindly take up this matter seriously for the benefit of the local residents in and around the Marten landfill.
Will do, sir. Thank you.